Welcome to my Halloween home tour. Starting in the front entry area, we added some spooky details to our already fall decor. Here you can see I added an Enter If You Dare sign that I thought went really well with my fall wreath that I already had up, which I love all the details to this wreath. It was purchased from Kirkland Home. And then we also added some skeletons, a spooky inflatable ghost, another jack-o'-lantern, and I did end up changing out the leaves around the door to putting them inside that bike there that holds some of our planters. Now that you've gotten an overview of the great room, I'm going to start over here in the kitchen. So we are first starting in the corner where we have our little coffee station. I'm going to zoom into all the fun details. On one side here we have these little ghosts and this Add Scream and Sugar Please sign. It's from an Etsy seller. I'll make sure to link that for you. And then over on the right there's another little tiered tray with a little ghost from Target and that sign that says Happy Halloween that I think has a cute country feel. And then we have some of my favorite mugs displayed over here in our coffee area. The Sanderson sister one is from Home Goods, and then the Mickey one is from Disney. Moving on into the main kitchen area, we have some cute ghost towels, kitchen towels that I've had from over the years. Over here, this little nook has more of a fall feel. I loved these pumpkins too much to put away, and so I stuck this really cute crow, I think it's a crow, in there to have it be a little bit more Halloween-like. And then over here we have a wax melter that is themed with The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack Skellington. And then when you turn it on, you can see that zero illuminates from the back, which I thought was such a cool touch. And the scent I'm using is this pumpkin scent that smells really incredible. So I have that in the kitchen. And then we have a few little spooky touches here on my canisters. I have these little bats that I do believe I found at the dollar store. If I'm incorrect, I will link it down below for you. My Wicked Potion station, which you will see illuminated in a moment here. All of this has been purchased from the Target dollar spot in the past. I just love them so much. They give such a fun witchy vibe. Over into the kitchen area that I use the most, I have my Hocus Pocus crock from Ray Dunn that do have my everyday cooking essential tools there, but I also have some skeleton hands from the Dollar General, and the Trick or Treat Yourself is from Joann's, a little spatula. And then I have some spooky spiders crawling up our kitchen here. I did bend their legs to look more realistic as well. And the Salem Broom Co. sign that's really cool is from the dollar spot from Target. Over here to the right, I have this little candy and treat station that I put together. So we have like pumpkin spice Kit Kats and pumpkin marshmallows, pretzel treats, and M&Ms, and all these little jars and things I've had from over the years. The ghost is from Target, and the Trick or Treat and Jack-o'-lantern clear canisters can be found at Home Goods. And then inside here we have some potion bottles and things that kind of reminded me of like a witch's lair or something like that, so I thought the mugs went well with that. And then this little ghost I got at Target last year. He's got some more candy in his mouth. And over on our counters, I just spookified our little lanterns from fall and put some spooky spiders all around the wreaths and pumpkins. Moving into our kitchen nook for our table, this all has a very witchy vibe. I love the hanging witch hats. We had to use them again this year because we loved them so much in the living room last year, and I think it gives an extra spooky touch over the kitchen table this year. The whole theme here is black and white, and you will see a lot of spider details, including some spider webs on the chandelier above. As we go down to the table and see more of the details, you'll see there are a lot of spider touches like the web, details on the tablecloth, and also the plates are so much fun. I found those at Joann's this year, but mostly everything has been purchased over the years at Home Goods and Target. Also Amazon. The candlesticks are from Amazon. But the little cauldrons that I have at each table setting, those will have a name tag as well as some candy placed in them for a Halloween spooky dinner. I just didn't add those touches quite yet. Over to the buffet table, I have more treats going throughout here, as well as you'll see some serving trays, because on Halloween, when I have a little bit of a dinner with the kids and Chris and I, we will be serving some spooky treats, and I'll share that on the vlog. But I do have spider webs draping all around this. In this pumpkin jar, I have some of my favorite chocolates, Dove chocolates, in these really pretty orange wrappers that I loved. And then these cauldron-looking items are from from Home Goods. I have them both propped up on candlesticks to give them some height. And then you will notice a lot of fun details that I had from last year. These faux cupcakes, aren't they so awesome? I will link the seller from Etsy down below. Are sitting on this witch plate with the little witch shoes. I thought those were so cute. Then for my 3-tiered tray this year, I did more of a witchy theme. I love these mugs that I found at the Dollar Tree. You can spin them around for fall, and they don't have the jack-o'-lantern faces, so you can use them for both seasons. Lots of fun witchy details on the tiered tray here from items I picked up from over the years. Feel free to ask me below, though, for anything specific. And we are moving over into my mug rack here. I have that trick-or-treat sign from my deco-crated box. And then I did add a few spider details to my Ray Dunn mugs that I've collected over the years. And then also threw this little garland over to give it a little bit of a sweeter touch, not so spooky. And then as we're kind of gravitating over to the living room, we have this Hocus Pocus Broom Co. fun sparkly broom that I purchased last year. I'm pretty sure the sofa table is my favorite part of the decor this Halloween. I used a lot of my pumpkins in that big lantern sitting on the floor to just give it a little more detail. This witch hat I actually created and made with my mom and Haley this year. We each made our own. And then I have this little arrangement that I found some florals at Joann's and Michael's. Put some creepy spider details in there as well as that little ghost. As you can see, there are spider webs everywhere because there are spiders all on the witch hat here and kind of on the bottom as well. And we have these fun lanterns, metal lanterns hanging on the piece there with some more spiders and creepy details down below. I loved that the throw, or the table runner, excuse me, has bat details as well as it's saying Wicked on the very side of it, as I'm going to show you here. So it has that bat, the bats with the witch theme, so that's why I incorporated some bats into this detail as well, as you can see on the far left. On our entertainment center, I wanted to have it be Halloween themed but minimal, and I did add some lit up decor items here since we are predominantly in this area in the afternoon. The skeleton guy is one of my favorites. He's from Kirkland Home, and I have some fun country looking signs with metal details. This burlap Happy Halloween sign is one of my favorite details with the skeletons. I added the skeletons from the dollar spot. And just a lot of fun little details like those ghosts from Big Lots. Over on the table next to our master bedroom, we have the haunted house that I used in our front entry previously. I know it might be a little hard to see since it's all black, but I wanted to give it a very ominous, spooky feel, like it's at nighttime all the time in that area. And you still get the pops of color and details from the bats and the spiders and the spider candlesticks. That little tiny haunted house is from the Deco Creative box, And then I still left our lamp and frame there because I wanted to still have those family details, necessary details there. And then we have some frames here going into our living room couch area. That pumpkin frame's from Hobby Lobby. It's new. And then we have some fun details with the pillows. Most of my pillows come from Home Goods, and that little pumpkin throw is from Target, as well as this boo throw here. They're so soft and cozy, and they're only 10 bucks if you can find them. They're a great find. The pillows, again, are from Home Goods, and I just collected them from over the years. A quick little break to highlight my baby Holly. You've probably seen her a few times in this video because she's my little shadow, always following me around. And on this day, she got a cute little bat toy from her grandma. So since it's Halloween themed, I thought I'd share it with you guys. She was pretty obsessed. And over to our hutch. Yes, our hutch is new. I love the scallop details to it and how country it is. Our white hutch sadly was lost in our move. They broke it, but we're happy with this new piece. I did want to give the hutch more of a witch's lair feel. Spooky touches here and there, but also some cute little ghosts and cute items as well. You'll see some skeleton hands. I love my new skeleton canister that's in the center there. That was from Target, as well as the little ghost on the top with the witch's hat is new from Big Lots. Down below here, you'll see a cauldron, and I love this cute little canister that I found at Home Goods. It actually lights up with those jack-o'-lanterns in the back. Over here, we have some more of my Ray Dunn pieces, and I'm just giving some close-up details of all the fun potions and creepy details. In the hallway next to the hutch, I have this burlap sign, Bad to the Bone, that I purchased at the Dollar General last year. Then we have some few spooky details over in our half bath. Little candle with candy corn and some ribbon I put together with items from the dollar store. And we've got a fun pumpkin and some pumpkin hand soap, of course. There's Holly again, making her appearance. Over here in the corner, this is probably my second favorite addition to our home this year. I used one of our skeletons and put a fun witch hat on her, and she's holding a pumpkin. This little mat says we're really into Halloween. And then a fun reversible pillow from Target and a little spider detail on the sign as well. And then over here, gravitating into the guest bedroom, says welcome to our bed and breakfast. This is also where the kids stay when they come to the house, so I wanted to make it a little spooky. And then there's also this fun detail in their bathroom, a bed and breakfast in with some hand soap. And then over in my filming / beauty room, I have a few touches, but as you can see, Chris hung my curtains for me and they look so beautiful. I love them. You can see some pretty dainty pumpkins that I have and some girly Halloween details that I have found over the years. The pumpkins are from Home Goods, and a couple of these little pink details were from Michael's a few years back. Thank you all so much for the support and watching my Halloween home tour. I decided to leave you with a few clips of the fun things all illuminated in the dark when it's a little spookier. I will be having another home tour for Christmas time in the next month or so. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe for more home tours in the future.